Public awareness. Environmental sensitivity in our country can only grow through a major public awareness campaign. This has several tools. The electronic media, the press, the school, the college education, adult education, all essentially complementary to each other. Green movements can grow out of small local initiatives to become major players in advocating environmental protection to the government. Policymakers will only work towards environmental preservation if there is a sufficiently large bank of voters that insist on protect the environment. Orienting the media to project pro-environmental issues is an important aspect. Several advertising campaigns frequently have messages that are negative to environmental preservation. Using an environmental calendar of activities and public awareness. These are several days of special environmental significance which can be celebrated in the community and can be used for creating environmental awareness. February 2, World Wetland Day. It is celebrated to create awareness about wetlands and their values to mankind. On February 2nd, 1971, the Ramsar Convention on Wetland of International Importance was signed at Ramsar in Iran. You can initiate a campaign for proper use and maintenance of wetlands in the vicinity of city or village. March 21, World Forestry Day. It is a day can be used to initiate public awareness campaign about extremely rapid disappearance of our forest. The program must be action oriented and become an ongoing process with activities such as tree plantation, April 7, World Health Day. The World Health Organization came into existence on this day in 1948. a campaign for personal sanitation and hygiene, to understanding issues of public health, occupational health, etc. This is a day can be carried out topics that deals with environment related diseases and their spread can be discussed and preventive measures suggested. April 18, World Heritage Day. It is a day can be used to arrange a visit to a local fort or museum. Environment also includes our cultural momentums. Students would use this opportunity to create awareness among the local people about their very valuable heritage site. April 22, Earth Day, was first celebrated in 1970 by a group of people in the USA to draw attention to increasing environmental problems caused by human on Earth. This day is now celebrated all over the world with rallies, festivals, cleanups, special shows and lectures. June 5, World Environment Day, is a day mark the anniversary of the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment in Sweden in 1972, where nations of the world gathered to share their concern over human progress at the expense of the environment. This day can be used to project the various environmental activities that the college undertaken during the year. New pledges must be made to strengthen an environmental movement at the college level. June 11, World Population Day. It is a day when the vital link between population and environment would be discussed in seminars held at college and other NGOs. August 6, Hiroshima Day, could be used to discuss our own Bhopal gas tragedy and the Chernobyl disaster. September 16, World Ozone Day, was proclaimed by the United Nations as the International Day for the preservation of the ozone layer. This is a good occasion for students to find out more about the threats to this layer and initiate discussion on what they can do to help mitigate this global threat. The day marks the Montreal Protocol signed in 1987 to control production and consumption of ozone depletion substances. September 28, Green Consumer Day. This day could be used to create an awareness in consumers about various products. Students would talk to shopkeepers and consumers about excess packaging and a campaign to use articles which are not heavily packed goods carried out. October 1 to 7, Wildlife Week can consist of seminars on conserving our species and threatened ecosystems. The state forest departments organize various activities in which every student should take part. A poster display, a street play to highlight India's rich biodiversity can be planned. Wildlife does not only mean animals but includes plants as well. What can I do to create public awareness regarding environmental protection? Most of us are always complaining about the deteriorating environmental situation in our country. We also blame the government for initiation. However, how many of us actively do anything about our own environment? You can think about the things you can do that support the environment in your daily life, in your profession and in your community. You can make others follow your environment friendly actions. A famous dictum is to think globally and act locally to improve your own environment. You can make difference to our world. Thank you. Have a nice day.